You're watching my natural hair journey here on Grow with Shev. In today's video, I'm going to talk you through how I grew my natural hair using mini braids, but also talking you through a little bit about my natural hair journey. So playing in the background is some of the photos from where my hair has come from, the length that I've managed to achieve through good practices that I've shared here on this video. Yes, that is the natural length of my hair, about 3 or 4 inches or so when I started my natural hair journey. And by being consistent and having good hair care practices, I was able to grow my natural hair into waist length. And in today's video, I'm going to talk you through how I did that, especially through using mini braids. So let's get into today's video. Welcome back to all my new and returning subscribers. Really appreciate each and every one of you stopping by my channel and checking out my content. Of course, there's over 600 videos now on this channel talking you through how to grow your natural hair, and there's a lot of videos on my mini braids challenges, which is the main way how I've grown out my natural hair. And so I've put a compilation in the background, but linked in this video will be those playlists of those week by week tips and hints that I've given you about growing my natural hair in mini braids. And of course, if it's possible for me, someone who's never had long hair before, to grow their natural hair to great lengths, then it's possible for you too. So check out the playlist linked in this section. Also, there's lots of playlists in the playlist section of this channel, so check those out. Lots of videos for you to grow your natural hair out. So if we reflect on some of the earlier videos where I showed you my natural hair about 3 or 4 inches when I started, and I could say I was using mini twists, mini braids, I was using also extensions, but I wasn't consistent with one main method, and so I wasn't seeing the growth that I have today. I would say the main growth came about when I decided to use a mini braids, and here is from one of the videos playing in the background, me taking down my mini braids. I typically wear my mini braids in from anywhere between 6 to 12 weeks, but I've gone on longer challenges for up to 21 weeks where I've recycled the braids and I've managed to keep them in for that time. And in that time, the mini braids really grew my hair out. I think mini braids grows your natural hair out more than any other method, I think, on my natural hair at least, because I'm able to keep it in for a long time. The longer my hair is in mini braids is the less that it is manipulated. And if we know anything about natural hair, 4C natural hair like myself, it doesn't like to be manipulated. And so keeping it in mini braids allows my hair to stay, just rest and grow. Of course, I'm not just leaving it by itself, because if you watch those playlists that I've linked in this video, also in my playlist section, you will see that I go through the full routine. I take care of my natural hair just as if it's loose, through wash days, through using virgin hair fertilizer, using DIY Aveda herbs on my hair while it is in mini braids. So it's very important that using this method is not just, okay, I'm going to install these braids and I'll take them down in 12 weeks time, because that's a great way you will experience breakage. So I've got so much videos now talking about the benefits of using mini braids. For me, the main thing is that it gives me back time. Yes, it takes a long time to install these in, but having not to worry about my hair for 12 weeks, 3 months is a fantastic time that I've given back to myself by investing in this method of growing my natural hair. Of course, the second benefit is the growth. You can actually see from the roots, so where the base of the braid onto your scalp, you can see how much growth you get, which is real motivation. Say after week 3 or 4, when you really start to see the new growth coming in, the mini braids is a great way to encourage you to keep going, because you're seeing the growth that you're getting. The next reason I like to use mini braids is because it's versatile. It allows me to style my hair in so many styles. And as you can see in the video there below, I have length outside of it. And when I plait my mini braids really small, I'm seeing the full length of this sort of length from my mini braids. And so it really allows you to show off your length, to have different styles. It's almost like wearing your hair loose. And so once again, so many videos on the benefits, detailed videos on the benefits of using mini braids. Of course, the main reason why we're here is to grow our natural hair. And so that's the reason why I use this method. Of course, there's drawbacks, and in the video playing in the background, I'm talking you through some of the drawbacks of using mini braids to grow your natural hair. Mainly that your ends will probably suffer some damage if not taken care of properly. And when it comes to week by week maintenance, do not forget your ends. Do not forget that it can get tangled or matted, or the new growth itself can come and look quite rough and you'll have to try and put something over it. So there are some drawbacks to using mini braids to grow your natural hair. There's videos on that, and I've linked them in the playlist. In each playlist, there should be a video talking about the drawbacks. And as you can see there, although I'm really being diligent in taking care of my hair in these mini braids, they look quite rough. And when it comes to taking down, you'll have to bear this in mind, that after your hair is growing for 12, 14, 16 weeks in mini braids, you know, it's gonna look like this. You're gonna have to know how to take down that mini braids in order not to lose your hair. But of course, it's a fantastic method of growing your natural hair, and so I advocate. You can actually get to your scalp, you can apply your growth aids, you can keep your scalp clean, you can moisturize your hair in mini braids. And so all the benefits of using mini braids to grow your natural hair really outweighs any of the disadvantages that I spoke about earlier. If this is your first time around here, do not forget to subscribe. Also, give this video a like and share this with someone that you think will benefit. All of those things really help to push this video up in the algorithm and reach more ladies who are trying to grow their natural hair. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You will not regret. I post frequently, whether through long form or short form content about growing natural hair. And with over 600 videos here on this channel, it really is a hub to grow your natural hair, especially if you've never had long hair before. I'm quite transparent. I talk you through any challenges that's going on with my hair, and actually look out for a series coming up where I do suffer some setbacks, and I'm going to be talking you through that week by week. So look out for my next series, and I'll be presenting more information on how to grow your natural hair. There's still plenty of time left in 2025 to grow your natural hair long, healthy and strong, and Grow with Shev is the channel for you. And there I'm showing you like all of that growth that I've gotten after using mini braids. If you do this style for a year, come back and report to me the growth. Many ladies on this channel have started to do mini braids because of my series on using mini braids to grow out your natural hair. And so it's very, very much possible. I'm telling you, you can see the growth there in real time. And they have had good results. Lots of the comments on my videos is that they're also seeing the benefits of using mini braids to grow out their natural hair. So give it a try today. It's the main method. Mini braids is the main method of how I've grown out my natural hair. It's so cheap. It's so easy to do. Anyone can do it. If you can braid, you can mini braid. And if you can mini braid, you can keep them in for a while. And if you keep them in for a while, you'll see tons of growth. So once again, do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and we will keep going. I'll keep the conversation going on growing out natural hair because it's a passion of mine, which is why I started this channel, and I've created so many more videos. So look out for more videos coming out, including that series and talking you through a very serious setback actually that's coming up on this channel. And so look out for that. We'll be talking you through that because I am transparent, and we'll be growing. We'll be getting lots of growth before the end of the year. So don't worry, join on the challenge. There's also mini twist challenge videos. That's their playlist for that. And also growing your hair in cornrows. I do wear crochet braids as well. So there's lots of different types of content here on Simply Shev to keep you going. Thank you so much for watching today's video on how to grow your natural hair, especially using mini braids. I will see you next time. Take care. God bless you.